Today we are diving into something cool and serious from the world of numbers. Yeah, ever heard about Krishnamurthy number? If not, don't worry. We are about to. Yeah, a Krishnamurthy number is a special number that's equal to the sum of the factorial of its digit. Sound confusing? Let me break it down. First, do you remember what is factorial is? Yeah, it is a product of all the positive integer up to a number. For example, 3's factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6. Yeah, and 4 factorial is 24. How? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yeah, and 0 factorial is always 0. Yeah, an example of the Krishnamurthy number is 145. Yeah, how? Let's break the number into its constituent digit. Let's say 1, 4, and 5. And 1's factorial is always 1, and 4 factorial is 24, and 5 factorial is 120. Now add them up. Means 1 plus 24 and 120 is equal to 145. Yeah, boom! The Krishnamurthy number is finally here. It is or the sum of the factorials is equal to its original number. Then it's a Krishnamurthy number. Okay, let's dive into our PC and let's see how it's work, how to do this in Java.
Yeah, so we are inputting the number to check whether it's a Krishnamurthy number or not, and then we are taking the number as a backup because the number while extracting the digit will become the null. Then therefore we have to take our original number as a backup to check whether the sum of the factorial of that number is equal to the original number or not. And this while loop will go through the each digit, means it will extract each digits, and this int f equal to 1 is a variable that is initialized. 1 is factorial, and the int d variable is used to extract each digits, and the for loop is used to go through all the factorials. And yeah, we'll go through all the factorials, and this sum is will be doing the sum of all the each factorials. Yeah, then we'll check the sum is equal to the original number or not. Then if it is equal to, then it's a Krishnamurthy number. And here is the output screen. Yeah, we are inputting 145 and this. Yeah, it is Krishna.